Want to know how to one name on Facebook? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes in this process. So first of all, you will open up the Facebook application here. And first of all, we will actually change the language of our Facebook app to the Indonesian. So we will click on settings and privacy here, and then we will scroll down and we will click on the language here. So if you don't know where you can find this, you can actually come back and you will click on your profile image into the top right here, and then you will scroll down and then you will click on the settings and privacy here, this one, and then again you will scroll down and you will see this option which is called languages. So you will click on this one and then you will scroll down and you will select the Indonesian language here. So it was like here before, Indonesian language. So here it is. So you'll click on the Indonesian language here, and now you will see that my Facebook application language is changed to Indonesian. So now I will actually switch my account. You can switch your account by clicking on this arrow here, and I will actually log in with some different account here, but the process is same. Okay, then I will click on to the top three lines onto the top right, and I will scroll down and I will click on settings here. I will click on this profile option here, then again I will click on this information option here, and then I will click on which is says nama, which means name. And now I can actually like remove this Khan from here. And now if you actually click on this option here which is save option, then only this name will appear on your profile. So that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.